Welcome this video. Video title is Maximize Space Smart Patio Idea for Big Impact Incorporating Interior of Home Design Size do not always must. Even the smarter space can be transforming into realistic, choosy retreat with the right plan and creating this hold especially turn off patio were smart utilization of even inch can result in a stream outdoor oasis whether you work with a balcony or a compact courtyard. Here are some smart patio ideas to help you make the most of your outdoor space. Vertical gardening, one of the best way to add greenery to a smart patio without significant fold space is by going vertical. Install wall mounted plants or shade to create a lush vertical gardening. Choose plant then in contain do not require much hormones space such as and turn not only doing vertical gardening at interior but it also enhances air quality that create a claimed atmosphere. Multifunctional furniture when even secured inch mold multifunctional furniture become your best friend. Look or pay photo that survey popular such as the brand with built-in story or a coffee table that can double as a dining table, fold chair and table are also excellent space save other us then can be easy slowing away then not in use other for high weight material like even choosy said note transforming a smart patio into a unwired retreat by creating a choosing set note range of chair area and smart bring table or install a bring in branch also one side of the patio enhance comfort with lush charm pillow and also range add soft light with stream light or lecturing enhance the Josie impression mark it the perfect and relaxation impact gathering middle eliminate middle also bring then it's come to make smart space appear long and bringing sports plan place and long middle on a patio wall and relax definite light and create the eliminate two tap not only doing the sticky expel the space but it's also add a touch of enhance to your outdoor decor just by choose middle sacrification design and outdoor use of withstand the elements color and textile use of color and textile can various impact a smart patio and add personally to your space. Choose a steady light patio bring that complement your home ex- interior and surrounding. Lights up like while can make feel more open the air while popular of various color can inject and personally